Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide, and today is going to be a short update video on the status of the Daylight Computer DC-1. So if you remember, I did release a video a while back, a couple of weeks ago, where I had the interview with the CEO of Daylight Computers, where we talked about their first product, DC-1, which was supposed to start shipping to the first batch of early adopters in July and August. A couple of days ago, I, as one of the persons who pre-ordered the Daylight Computers DC-1 device, I received an update on my order, and unfortunately it's not a good update. So it says, "Hello there, thank you again for being one of the earliest supporters of Daylight. We know you've been eagerly awaiting your DC-1. In our last update, we shared that we expect to get all of batch 1 shipped in early August. And they actually started shipping, as far as I understand, because they say we started shipping in July, and then we encountered an unexpected issue. A key piece of machinery needs to be replaced." So that is not a good situation to be in, because that is a hardware thing, so that is an expensive thing for them to actually take as a hit. "Our new target ship date for your Daylight computer is by the end of October." So stuff that was supposed to have been shipped in July and early August is now pushed August, September, end of October. So it's been pushed by a quarter, by 3 months. This added delay is frustrating. Building devices that live up to our vision and expectations is the highest priority. We want to get this right for you. Please know we are doing everything possible to smooth out these final production hurdles. We will send you an update as soon as we have a firm ship date for your order. In the meantime, don't hesitate to reply to this email with any questions. We are here for you. Thank you again for your patience and understanding as we navigate these challenges. Gratefully, Anjan Kata. So that is the update on what is going on. So there's going to be at least a 3-month delay on the Daylight computer. The thing that's interesting though is that if you do go to their website and then you check your orders, there's no real mentioning of that, and the batches here have not been updated. So that's something that would be nice, to actually see the deliveries here updated to the new delay and expectancy, just so that people have a correct understanding. So what that means is that at least batch 1 is pushed till end of October, which means, yeah, somewhere between batch 3 and 4 when they were supposed to be expected. How will that affect the other batches? Does that mean that all of the batches will move 3 months forward? I don't honestly know. I mean, there's enough to suggest that it might be, because if they already thought that they had everything in place and that the production line has been set up and tested and ready for mass production, and these are the schedules that they've gotten, probably from the factory, that might suggest that this does add a 3-month on all of the batches here. It could happen. It could also happen that they might be able to pull some strings, pay some extra money or something like that, to actually push a prioritization and get more batches in one go. And if they are able to actually do that, then we should be able to see consolidation of batches, if not complete consolidation, then at the very least getting them closer between the shipping dates and the schedules. And also don't forget that there's logistics of, once these things are produced, they need to be shipped to them, and then once they are shipped to them, then they need to be shipped to everywhere else, unless they're shipping directly from the factory. So that is the update on the Daylight Computer DC-1. We have an initial delay of 3 months, and it is due to a problem, key piece of machinery, in their own words, that needs to be replaced. So a hardware change of some sort. It is inevitable to have delays and things like that. It is unfortunate that such a thing happened, but it's also really fortunate that they managed to catch it so early on, because if this was after everything was sent, or let's say half of the batches have been sent, that would have been a much bigger and more serious headache for them to handle. So yes, it's a bad situation, and yes, it's frustrating, but I think that the way it's been handled, that they've been lucky or diligent to have caught it so early on. I don't know what it is, but they've obviously caught it, and it's obviously serious enough to warrant a fix for the device itself, and to make a delay of 3 months, because no producer wants to do that unless they absolutely have to. But we see some kind of good communication, due diligence, and responsible type of behavior, or hints of responsible type of behavior from the Daylight computers. What I wish that we could have seen a little bit more is a little bit more transparency on what exactly was the problem and what went wrong. And also that we had the batches on the website updated with maybe some more information about the availability and what that means for other batches, because right now it's not really clear if all batches are moved by 3 months or not, and how this delay affects batches number 2, 3, and 4, and 5, I guess. There's 5 of them, something like that. Either way, that's my take on this. What is your opinion, and what do you think about this whole thing? I think that it's an interesting and always a useful thing to have a discussion on these things, because we get to see the same thing from different perspectives. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and ding the notification bell in the description below to get notified when new videos come out on My Deep Guide. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!